Hello, and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you what to do when you have forgotten your lock screen password on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I have forgotten my lock screen password. No matter what I'll do, I cannot get access to my phone. So, what can you do in this situation? Well, technically there is only one thing you can do that's safe, and it's to simply remember your password. If you won't forget your password, everything should be working fine. However, if you have forgotten your password, there's only one real thing you can do. And it's to wipe everything on your phone. Now, it's called factory reset, and it will delete every single thing, so you will lose all your images, all your videos, all your applications, all your contacts, everything. Unless, of course, you have done a backup, which you should do. And if you didn't, well, that's too bad, mate. But anyway, let's actually perform a factory reset now. But before we do anything, make sure that you have an USB cable. I have mine. Oh, sorry for that. I have mine right here. And the other end of this USB cable is connected to my PC, and now I will connect it to my phone. So we do see that now we are charging our phone. As you can see, it doesn't really matter if it's for charging only, it will do fine. Anyway, now this is important because otherwise you won't be able to get it working. So if you have any issues following our tutorial, make sure that your cable is connected to a PC or a laptop, not other phone. Once you have that, you can pick up the phone, and now you can. Well, here's what we're going to do. First, you want to turn off your device by pressing and holding power button and volume down button at the same time. Then, when the screen flashes black, you want to release the buttons and start pressing power button and volume up button. And then, after Samsung logo appears, you want to release your thumb while still pressing power up button. I know that it's quite a lot, but don't worry, I will show you right now. So, press and hold power button and volume down button to turn off our device. You ignore this setting and wait for the screen to go black. Screen went black, now power button and volume up button at the same time. We keep holding until Samsung logo appears, and when it appears, you want to release your thumb while also keep pressing the volume up button. This is very important. And as you can see, we are inside our recovery screen. Once again, if it for some reason doesn't work for you, you want to very carefully do that. And also it's completely fine if it doesn't work the first time. I did screw up the timing a couple of times, so as you can see, it just happens. And you want to make sure that you are connected to PC or a laptop. So yeah. And now, while you are inside recovery, you want to navigate using the volume buttons into wipe data and factory reset, and then simply confirm using your power button. Now, oh, that's funny. I have no idea why it's in Spanish suddenly, but we can cancel. Can we change it up? We cannot. I have no idea what's in Spanish, but who cares? And also, just a quick reminder, you can also do that in unfolded way. I just don't find it really convenient because I like having pressing power buttons like this versus pressing it like this when you can hold your phone still is much better for me. So anyway, you want to navigate into wipe data / factory reset. We have a nice warning that if we had some sort of Google account connected before the factory reset, it still will be connected and we'll have to log into that. So thanks to this, we won't be able to randomly steal somebody's phone and, steal it and reset all data and sell it. So that's pretty cool. So now we want to click reset. Now I don't know Spanish, but I do see that it's called canceler, and when I click on it, it went back. So we want to click this, want to click it, and now as you can see, formatting is done, data wipe is complete. Now you simply want to reboot your system, and now we wait. The phone will turn itself on and off a couple of times. So I will now pause the recording, but note that it doesn't really matter since it may take a couple of minutes, don't you worry. So yeah, see you in a while. And as you can see, it only took like 2 minutes for me, I believe. Now we can now unplug the USB. We could actually do that once we have gotten into recovery mode. Sorry, I didn't mention that really. But now we can get rid of the cable completely. And as you can see, we are now inside our setup screen. Now, if you have no idea how to go through the process of setting up your phone, I will record the video right now, so you can always watch it on our channel. But anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.